Hey everyone. If Dropbox is not connecting to the internet in 2026, like it's stuck offline, not syncing, or showing connection errors, don't worry. I'll show you how to fix Dropbox not connecting step by step. First, open Dropbox and check your internet connection. Weak or unstable. Internet is the most common cause. Next, restart your Wi-Fi router. I mean, this often fixes hidden network problems instantly. Now, restart the Dropbox app completely. Closing and reopening it resets connection errors. After that, check your firewall or antivirus settings. I mean, sometimes they block Dropbox from accessing the internet. Next, disable VPN or proxy if you are using one. These can interfere with Dropbox connectivity. Now, make sure your Dropbox app is updated. I mean, old versions often have network bugs. After that, reset your network settings on Windows if needed. This helps fix deeper connection issues. Finally, reinstall Dropbox if nothing else works. I mean, this clears corrupted files and restores connection. So yeah, that's how you fix Dropbox not connecting to internet in 2026. Follow each step carefully and your Dropbox should go back online smoothly. And if this helped, don't forget to check out more troubleshooting tutorials for beginners. Hey everyone.